Hello guys, kumusta kayo? In today's video, papakita ko sa inyo yung aking trade today. Today is September 15, Monday, and I've traded Euro US dollar. So basically, I have two trade setups today. So ito yung papakita ko. So nag-backtest lang, nag-replay lang ako para mas maganda tignan. Okay, so ito yung ending ng US session previous day. So play lang natin. Okay, yun yung opening na ng Asian. Okay. So, if you notice guys, meron tayong dito, fair value gap. Okay. Okay, so I traded here. I think I've already get 10 pips lang. Yan. Yan, maybe dito 10 pips. Okay. Then 1:1. Okay. So, let's play. I take a buy position here with this because of this fair value gap here, and we are expecting the price to go up because overall uptrend pa din si market ng Euro US dollar guys. Ayan, so play lang natin. Okay. Nag-TP ba? Hindi pa. Ayan. Okay, nag-TP siya dito. I think ito yung TP ko kanina. Okay, sakto lang talaga bago siya bumagsak. Okay, so I have one win. I have a buy position kanina dito. So, yeah, kumuha lang ako ng almost 10 pips lang. Then, kasi nasa Cavite kami nito, nag-drive ako. So kung sabayan sana yung liquidity sweep ng Asian low, but di ko na naabutan. So, ito yung nangyari. Okay. So, if you notice guys, binasag niya yung low ng Asian, no? So, dapat if you watch my video before, dapat false breakout to babalik ng range, we look for a buying pattern dito, and we look for buy, pero hindi ko na siya naabutan. But dito naman nag-breakout siya. So, yeah, naghanap tayo na is ko muna to. Okay, ng buy setup dito. Ayan, so play lang natin. Okay, so nag-breakout siya dito guys, no? Nag-breakout siya dito. I think I was able to in 5 minutes yata yun. Find it 30 minutes 15 15 minutes naman. Ayan, so dito ako nag-entry guys, no, in 15 minutes. So after this breakout, because ay nag-break yung Asian high, no, dito. So nag-pull back, bumalik dito. Ito nag-create ng bullish pin bar. Ayan, so nag-buy ako dito after this candle close. Stop loss, I think I have 15 pips stop loss. Okay, was below this London low. Okay, then 1:2, I have 30 pips TP. Ayan, so ito yung setup ko kanina. Let's check kung mag-play out ba siya. Ayan, so play lang natin. Okay, nag-TP tayo dito guys. So overall, we have two trades today on Asian and also during London session. Same currency pair, Euro dollar. So first setup ko is based on fair value gap. Then dun sa second trade ko is based on the breakout, retest, and the bullish pattern, which give us an momentum on the upside. So if you want to know more guys, follow me on TikTok, and you can comment also, and I will gonna be guiding you. Thank you for watching this video. Ingat kayo. God bless.